At Ampcontrol, we lead the innovation of electrical and electronic engineering by saying yes when others can't. In fact, saying yes to new challenges and opportunities has been part of our DNA since we were founded in Newcastle, Australia in 1968. We use our world-class engineering to solve problems across the mining, infrastructure, tunnelling, renewables and industrial sectors. By drawing on our extensive internal network of resources, we respond to challenges with agility and ingenuity. From our multidisciplined engineering teams to in-house manufacturing and on-site service capabilities, we can design, develop and deliver a project from idea to reality. We are motivated to provide our customers with unique solutions that solve their problems by producing high-performing, efficient and above all else, safe equipment for use in underground and hazardous areas. We have a global footprint and we work in partnership with our customers across the world, providing service and support when and where it is needed. Over the years, we've produced world firsts in technology, created new industry benchmarks and embedded our technology into some of the largest industrial applications around the world. Our hard-working, talented and passionate people are the lifeblood of our business. Together, we are innovative people energising our world.